Federation of Civil Society Organization Focs Manipur President T.H. Manihar has reiterated that organization's decision to hold a peace expedition by crossing buffer zone areas following Union Home Minister Amit Shah's recent directive to officials and security forces to ensure free movement on all roads in Manipur from March 8th. He also urged the public to join the peace expedition, with their first planned destination being Senapati district. The statement was made during a press conference held at Focs office at Kabul Ekai today. Speaking further, the T.H. Manihar informed that the first peace expedition will be flagged off from Kangla Northern Gate on March 8th, and that interested people can report till 8:30 a.m. He maintained that the organization also aimed to reach Mau during the expedition if they have time, while informing that for the second expedition, Focs aimed to reach More in Tenopal district. Furthermore, T.H. Manihar also urged Cookie Alliance and other Cookie organizations to withdraw their stance against free movement, while asserting that the peace expedition will be held to bring forth the idea of Manipur by crossing the buffer zones.
Santi ki paujel puba khongchelama loinana tongan ba khoi ki indigenous ori ba khoi ki chinau sing sika punna phamin rakanda arai laitara nungai yai phaba tanaba gi khongchelama khoi chatkana haidana khoi lauthuk sakre santi ki paujel purga chatkadori ba han ba lambi si Imphal sigi kangla gi awang thangpa gate sidagina Senapati phawgani aduga ngamaga di matam sina phangga di khoi sungai soidana maki mau bok yoksalakpa gi khoi gi resolution duma leijai khoi lepsegi ba khoi gi tarik 9 gi khongchel asi miyamna yarga di tokpiu matam khara le Chatpi Habisu Yawi, Chapigan Habisu Yawi, and the work the Leap Crabanina, Himalabak Manipur, Santi, Porana Bohanabata, Aquay, Taudans, Bauti Sile, Habaki, Wakalonda, Amadi, India Langana, Lori, but whatever do, Obeta, we had an Aquay, Makwiki, whatever do, welcome to Wolana, Makwene Pidiba, Tazaba, do Tabo, on top of the Magda, Quay Ahanba, step when I quay. Anyhow, Nabagi target the Tamze, the Anisuba Conchata, Aquay More, Quena Tamzaribase, Sigi Plan Silese.